Bruce from the Joinery Coach. Hope you're doing really well. I'm up here in Caloundra. Just thought I'd do a quick live. We've been working really hard with these guys for the last 2-3 months. They've been doing really interesting work up here. The main thing is they're moving into a brand new facility. You might have seen some information on this already on social media. I'll just turn the camera around. Hopefully you can hear me. I've got my microphone on, so hopefully the sound will be a little bit better. There's a lot of machinery and work going on here right now, but I thought it'd be really cool to kind of show you the stage they're at. So I'm standing in the board storage area looking through. There's 2 machines. Obviously that's the automatic loading. This is the brand new CNC machine. The existing CNC machine beside it. So big machine, small machine. It's a BSC integrator doing its thing. So that machine gets loaded from this side. This other machine gets loaded from this side. There's Rodney, one of the owners. I'll just walk you through the process. How you going? So 2 CNC machines offloading here and loading into the edge bander. So new edge bander with the return feed, obviously pretty awesome. Walking through it. Existing edge bander where needed. Everything ends up back in this place. Will be fed through. This will be the new assembly area going out to these 2 doors. Lunchroom, storage room, production manager's office. I'll take you through to the front showroom. There'll be a stairway going up there. And this is going through to the front, what will be the reception showroom area. Pretty amazing facility. I'll take you outside and show you around there. This is out in the car. So what we've done here is we've worked really hard to make sure that the flow through the factory is efficient. Took some of the layout that was done by the machine guys and just tweaked them a little bit so that we got really good flow coming through off the 2 CNC machines. We're a little bit behind schedule, but not too far off. I'll just flip the camera around again here. Outside here we've got the ducting obviously set up to dump. Great dust extraction. So there you go. CNC machines flowing really well to the next stage, which is obviously edge banding, and then flowing through from there into assembly. Pretty cool place. A lot of work to do. A lot of work already done. Exciting to get to this stage. Exciting to see the next stages. Yeah, give us a comment. Tell us what you think. Is this the sort of place that you'd like to have set up? Is it something that you've already got set up? What's happening? What's happening in your world? Let me know. Thought I'd show you that. Oh, hey Ben, how you going? Yeah, it's a nice place, isn't it? Actually, you've probably got the same amount of space, Ben. Maybe it's a little bit larger, but it's nice having the 2 CNC machines. 2 CNC machines are nice, but if they're feeding one edge bander, then you've kind of got a restriction there anyway, right? So, all right. So there you go. Thought I'd give you a nice walkthrough up here in Caloundra. Bruce from the Joinery Coach signing off. Peace out.